Hi Yogendra, good evening. How are you?
Yeah. Good evening. Good evening. Yeah, I'm great. What? Thanks for asking about me. And what about you?
I'm also doing good. I think I'm meeting you for the first time,
Yeah.
and
First.
I didn't know anything about you.
Yeah.
So
So
can
you
I know
want to know
something
about?
about you?
Yeah, I can give. Yeah, I can give my short introduction. Actually, I have taken one conversations already before you. So you requested. That's why I was talking with you. Okay. So I am Yogendra
Hmm.
Kumar Adam from Uttar Pradesh, Bhadoi district, and I did BCA. And my hobbies are reading books, talking with strangers, and exploring new things. That's my introduction. Let's introduce yourself a little bit, okay, so that I can know about you. And that's
Be relaxed. Just you can sit at any place, or you can just stand.
okay. Okay.
Okay.
I
So
will be.
yeah, now it's okay. Now it's okay.
Yeah.
As you can see, my name is Raman Kumar, and I'm connecting to you from Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. And
Okay.
if I talk about my educational qualification, I have done my BSc.
Yeah.
And right now I'm a YouTuber. I do conversation with people. I try to talk to the stranger, to learn their new culture, to learn something new. So that is my hobby. So I just said that the one thing, you're from also UP, right?
Yeah, I'm from also UP, and we are a neighbor. Okay,
Yeah,
we
we are
are from
neighbor. Yeah,
same state. Okay,
yeah.
so
So
yeah,
you said you have done your BCA.
yeah, I have done BCA.
So why did you choose BCA? Can you tell me something about it?
Actually, I chose. Yeah, I am asked about this question a lot of. So actually, I chose. I was told by my family, you should
Mhm.
do this. Then that's why I did.
So are you working right now in any IT sector?
No, I'm not working anywhere. Actually, I am at home and I'm preparing for MCA and taking care of my family. And
You are preparing for CUET, PG, or you are preparing for NIMSET examination?
no, just I'm preparing for MCA, Master of Computer Application, post graduation, and after that I will join any company and do job and earn money. That is my
So
thing.
MCA is a course, I think. MCA is a course. So are you doing like that course by yourself?
No, this is not course. This is also degree, post graduation.
Yes, yes, that is what I'm saying. It's a post graduation degree, right? Yeah. So then you will going to apply somewhere to work in any IT sector.
Yeah, yeah,
So I think MCA anyone can do, no
yeah.
matter whether
Anyone can
you
do
have
after
done
after
BCA.
12th.
Yeah,
Yeah.
after the graduation. So can you tell me something about it? Like, are you doing it by yourself? MCA. I mean, are you doing it by yourself?
Yeah, I'm doing. No, actually, if you're talking about financial money, so my father earns, and he he wants to let me. He wants me to do this, so I'm doing.
So have you applied for any interview? Have you appeared for any interview?
Yeah, I have, so far appeared in many interviews, but I have been rejected due to this language. So that's why I'm learning this language, and it has been, I think, 2 years. I have learning this language. So I had, and I joined these applications. I think 1 week ago, and before that, I had no practice partner. I am talking with myself, and I was struggling with myself. That was my journey. So I'm very happy, I when I came to know this application. So that's it.
Yeah. So you said that just because of this language that you rejected into interview. Otherwise, you have the all the hard skills that is like computer programming languages and like all the sections of the computer that is related to. So you are good at it, but you stuck while speaking in English language, and that is why you rejected. So where did you got to know about these application Skype?
Yeah, I came to know this application. Actually, I was watching, YouTube videos, and N-
Hmm.
Someone told me about this application, so I just came on Play Store and downloaded these applications, and I have been using this application since then.
Okay, okay, great.
Yeah,
So,
and
do
I
you
have
think
to
it is
talk.
helping you?
Yeah, it is helping me a lot, and I'm very glad, and I'm also very happy, and I love to talk, different people and from different state, and yeah, that's it.
So, like when you are doing your BCA, so from where you have done your BCA? Can I know?
I did BCA, in my state, within my state,
Mhm.
within my your district. Yeah, it is for 12 kilometer from my house.
So, what was the fees in your BCA?
Yeah, actually, no, per year 25,000.
Per year 25,000. So, when you go for the interview, why they ask English so much? I mean, what is the need of the English language?
Yeah, actually, English is very important in this field. Actually, I went for true caller
Yes.
center, so that's why it is very important in that field. So I was rejected by due to this.
I think in Truecaller you have to talk in English, and that is why they
Yeah,
rejected you.
yeah. You have to connect across the world and across the country.
So they don't like when you are in your college, when you are doing your BCA. So at that very moment, they don't teach you the English language and the
No,
communication skills.
only they are focusing. They were focusing on theory so that we can get clear exam. Yeah,
I think this is the main problem in every campus. I think they don't
in
focus on
every
your
college,
communication
this
skills.
is the main problem.
Yeah,
Actually, also we are focusing on getting degree and not focusing on skills and yeah, in back in theory, in practical knowledge, we are focusing on only theoretical knowledge. So that's why it is yeah, and also if you want to do something, and if you did and get certificate, so your family also will get happy, no matter something or not. Yeah,
and we got to know when we go for the interview that okay, we
yeah,
are rejected just
yeah.
because we
This
don't
is
have
the
this
reality
kind of
we have.
skill.
Yeah, we have to accept, and since then I have decided that I will not focus on theoretical and certificate. I will do in practical.
Mm.
In
And
practical.
as we all know that English is a language which you can only learn. Not only English, any language that you want to learn, you have to be surrounded with that language. So first
Yeah,
thing
yeah.
you have to create an environment, a healthy English speaking environment.
First,
So
first,
you can do it
first
by
of
two ways.
all, you have to create environment in your mind, and then
Yeah.
after
Hmm.
around it.
Yeah, first you have to be clear by your mind that okay,
And
now I
also
have
you
to
have
learn
to
English.
do one thing, that you have to bear a lot of things, criticism and lot of things.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and also you have fewer friends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that is why this group is not. That is why this group, where you can talk to
That's
any
right.
stranger in
Yeah,
English
and this
without
group is
without even
helping a lot.
thinking that they are going to judge me. Without even thinking that they are going to judge me, you can
Yeah,
here
yeah,
talk to anyone because everyone is a learner here. So it
yeah,
is a helpful thing. Yeah. So if I talk about the languages, computer programming languages, so on which languages you have command over?
actually, I had command, but it's been a long time when I completed, 2021. So since then, only my focus on English speaking. Okay, and learning and watching movies, and there are a lot of things, grammar, idioms, phrasal verbs, and lot of things. That's why I'm focusing on this. And I had, when I was doing MCA, so I had command on Java. I loved to do programming. But when I came out from college, and also I had no computer, so that's why I have
You don't have computer, so how did you do you? How did you do your BCA if you don't have computers?
Yeah, actually, there were computers, in college. So I used to go there did and used to do programming.
So first you need to buy a laptop, man. You
Actually,
need it.
I can understand. Yeah, I know it is very important for me, but what can I do? Actually, I have no money,
Yeah,
sufficient money.
financially.
So, yeah, I am doing this.
Mm. Because I know that if you want to do your programming in practice, for that
Yeah,
you also need the laptop, because that is also a language, as the English language is there. So you need to make sure that you are doing your practice on the daily basis.
yeah, yeah,
Because if you learn English very well, but then you go for apply for the interview and then you rejected in hard skill, like in programming languages, you forget all those things. So that is also problematic in the future. So you have
yeah,
to maintain and you have to keep both things together,
yeah, yeah,
in
yeah.
order to learn this language. But that is nice that you are here in the group and you are learning language. And I can make sure that here you can learn your English if you are
Brother,
constantly
brother,
practice for 1 or 2
I want
months.
to say something. I want to say something. I want to into the conversation. Actually, I will have to go to market to purchase some vegetables. So let's meet
Sure,
another
sure,
time. Okay.
sure,
So let's
sure.
keep learning. Have a nice day. Okay. Take care of yourself.